Hello student. So let's start our discussion. In today's tutorial we are going to discuss what is nested list. So in previous tutorial we have discussed slicing. So here we will look at the another aspect of list. In other programming language we have seen that we can declare the multidimensional array. So same way in Python also we can create the multidimensional list. So let's create a first nested list. So you can have idea that how it can be created. L1 equals to, let's say, 1 2 3 and fourth element we are going to put as a nested element, nested list. So here I will put string hi, then joy, abc, likewise. Yes, so this is how we can create the nested list. So let's try to print it so you can have idea that how it will be displayed. Okay, so this is how it will be displayed. Now it is not like that we can create only list inside means we can create only nesting of one list inside the another list. Okay, we can nest the multiple list. Let's have the example. Let's have another example. Let's say L2 equals to good morning, hello. Then here let's say I am storing some value. Let's put another list, hi, hello. Okay, now next question, how we can access it. So we can access the list element using square bracket. So we will specify the index of a specific element using square bracket. So for example, we will directly print L2. What is the index of this list? 0 1 2 and 3. So index is 3, and inside that inside that list, index of I is 0 and index of hello is 1. So let's try to print hello. Here we are supposed to write L2. Okay, as you can see we are getting hello. Now let's try to imagine one thing, that we are storing a student detail. Okay, so how we can create the multiple data, how we can create the nested list. So for example, name of the list is S1. Here we are storing some name, let's say Joy. Okay, surname is, let's say, ABC. Then name of the organization or university is XYZ. Then first semester marks are 45, 56, 78, 89, 68, likewise. Then second semester marks are, let's say, 76, 98, 87, 75. Okay, and next semester marks are, let's say, 74, 78, 45, 48, 58, 69. And at last we will store CPI and SPI, means semester performance index and cumulative performance index. Let's say 7.484. Okay, for that SPI also we will create an array. Okay, let's say in first semester SPI is 7 point something, let's say 7.8. In next it is 6.8, and in next 6, and then we will store the CPI, let's say 7. Okay, so here you can see here we have created one list. So here we will create a list object for individual student, then we will store name, then surname, then institute or university name, then semester 1 mark, semester 2 mark, semester 3 mark, and let's say then semester performance index list, and at last cumulative performance index. So this is how we can do. Let's say that student is not able to clear a particular subject in one attempt. Okay, so student has attempted that subject 2 times. Okay, in first attempt he is getting 35. Okay, and in next attempt he is getting 89. Okay, so this is how we can create the nested list. So now let's try to print the name of the student S1. So here we will get actually entire list. Now we will print, we will try to index individual element, or we will try to use individual element. So for example, print name of student is S1 of 0. Okay, name of the student is Joy. Similarly, surname of the student is 1. Then name of university is, then first semester marks. S1 of 3, and here okay, S1 of 3. Let's say print first semester multiple attempt subject marks are here S1 of 3 of 0, 1, 2 and 3. Clear? So this is how a nested list can be useful to store different type of data, and we can create list inside list. I think this can be the very best example. Similarly, if you want to replace let's say any element, let's say we want to replace this entire second semester mark with some value. Okay, then it can be done like, let's say S1 of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. S1 of 4 equals to 99. Clear with this? So then print S1. Here you can see entire second semester marks is replaced with 99. Similarly, let's say we want to replace this 89, we want to correct it to, let's say 98. So how it can be done? S1 of 3, okay, means third element. Inside third element number 3 means this, and inside element number 3 index number 1 equals to 89 is already there, so we will make it 98 and print S1. Okay, so here you can see the value is changed. So similarly, you can replace or reassign any value into the list. and this is the another approach of list. This is known as nested list, where you can create the list as per your requirement. Here there is a advantage of using list. Why? Because list is mutable object, means we can change the list. So once let's say a student current semester result is arrived, then at that time new entry can be stored into this list, so it can be expanded and it can be corrected. So in this tutorial we will keep up to this. In next tutorial we will start our discussion with the dictionary. Thank you.